Hey there, world travelers.
Hey there.
I'm Tanya.
And I'm Dave.
And we are Turn It Up World. Welcome back to our kitchen. Today we are recreating one of our favorite Peruvian dishes.
That's right, the delicious Lomo Saltado.
Cooking in the kitchen. Delicious food that's dang finger licking. Now you're cooking in the kitchen with Tanya and Dave. Turn It Up World.
That's right. So while we're kind of home, hunkering down here still, quarantining, we decided, you know what, one of our favorite dishes, and we've been talking about this for a while now, was to make Lomo Saltado. So as you can already see here, we basically have everything prepped and ready to go, because with this particular dish, time is not on your side. You have to get everything going and shaking and baking within minutes of each other, and you don't really have time to slice and dice in between. But we did feel it was important for us to really kind of show you the steps to prepping to getting to this point.
Right, so we'll take you through step by step to get here before you actually put it into the wok and get cooking.
So two other additions that really make Lomo Saltado, in our opinion, are the papa fritas and the white rice. Oh, we've had those served every time we had Lomo Saltado, and it really does bring it on home. Nice combination of flavors. Now the French fries that we like to use are the steak fries, right?
Oh yeah, and Peru has some of the best fries in the world. I mean, their potato variety is unbelievable.
Over 4,000 potatoes.
Yes, unbelievable.
I mean, can't get those French fries right.
And you want those nice thick fries that soak up all the great juices of the Lomo Saltado. You know, the soy and the beef juices all together. Oh, that is so good.
So good.
Yes.
So we started those already ahead of the game here because those take the longest to cook, because the rest of these items, once they hit that pot, they're ready to rock.
In our Lomo Saltado, we're gonna add some scallions, and we're going to make some pretty long cuts here, about 2 inches.
So we're gonna dice up some onion here. Now this is a large onion, so we're gonna actually cut that down to a medium onion. So we're just gonna take this large onion, which is quite big, and we're gonna cut that in half. And that's all, we're not gonna need one section of that. So we're just gonna use this here. And what you wanna do is you wanna cut along the grain and just get nice slices out of that there. Boom, boom, ba-dow. Kind of break them up into the bowl. You're gonna need 1 medium-sized tomato, or as I like to say, tomato. You know, you wanna just kind of have those nice chunky cuts there. And I kind of lay it down each time. It actually prevents me from cutting my finger.
And now for the beef. Now Lomo means loin. Now what we have here is actually New York strip. A really nice cut of beef. It's gonna be really juicy, some nice fat pieces in here. So you wanna cut that up in nice, pretty good sized chunks to make sure you actually retain the moisture when you cook this in the high heat. Now we have about 1 pound of New York strip, and we're actually gonna cut against the grain. Now the grain is actually running really this way across here, but we need to kind of cut this into manageable pieces. So we're gonna start here, just kind of cut this like this, and then from there start cutting these into nice sized pieces that we can actually cook here. So here we go. Look at that. And again, nice sized pieces. You don't want these to dry out as you cook. So make sure they're nice sized pieces. All right, and there you have it. And not too much. You know, it's really not too much. It's 1 pound. It's gonna be perfect.
All right, y'all. So now that you got your windows open, because let me tell you, there's gonna be some smoking. Those alarms might go off, the doors are open. We are ready to get some action going on over here. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna heat up the pot. Now you traditionally want a wok pot, and I can just show you guys this. Take a look down here really quick here. This is just a traditional a pot, close enough to a wok. In our opinion, it's gonna do the job just the same, but you could also use a skillet. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in here, just like so. Boom. And you're gonna let that heat up in this pot. You can already hear it starting to sizzle. You want the heat on high. Because obviously this is not a commercial grade version, but hey, you gotta move. Anyway, what we're gonna do is while that's kind of heating up in that pot there, we're gonna actually take this here and you're gonna salt your meat to taste. Boom. Now I don't want to put too much of this, is because we know that soy sauce is also very salty. So we're just kind of giving it a little boom, 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 just to taste, a little salt and pepper, boom, boom, boom. I can hear it already sizzling and crackling over there. I got my trusty spatula ready, because here we go.
Oh, wow. That's sizzling.
Ooh, that sizzling's already going on there. And if we don't have loads of meat, if you have a lot of meat, you don't want to add them all in at once because it'll start to steam, which won't give that flavors in there. So you kind of want to spread them out as best as possible so that all of the pieces are getting into that oil. Let me keep it moving. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. I mean, look at that. It's already turned that nice golden brown. Doesn't that look good, Dave?
Oh yeah, and you want to cook for about 5 minutes, right?
Exactly. So we're going to cook this in here for about 5 minutes. Are you watching that clock, Dave? Because I'm watching the meat.
I am watching it, yeah.
If you really want to get some wok action going on here, you can certainly do it like this. Or just like this here, you know, with a spatula or spoon or whatever your choice is, because we do not have a commercial grade lid here, so we don't want to go burning down our cabinet.
Oh, I love that flame on too, but I don't want to burn the house down.
Exactly. Get those pieces. I'll just take it off here.
That is a hot stove.
That's a hot stove, baby. Hot stove. Let me just explain to you what's going to happen next. What we're going to do is we're going to take our red onions in here and we're going to put them in here and we're going to just cook those nice. They're all ready to go with that oil. Just drop them in.
Oh, wow.
Look at that. Nice. I'm going to mix those up in that oil, spread them out. This is going to go in here for about 5 minutes as well. And what we're going to do after those 5 minutes is we're going to take them out of here and put them with the meat. And the reason we want to do that is because we want to make sure the onions are not soggy. You know, you don't want them like squishy, soggy, but you want a nice little crunch to them, which is exactly how we remember it too. So.
Oh, I love the nice crunch.
Right?
Smells
oh
so
man,
good.
the onions alone, it's taking me back to Peru. All I'm missing right now is a pisco sour. If I had a pisco sour, I'd be in heaven. Or the other drink you love, what is that? Chicha morado?
Oh yeah.
Chicha morado it's like a purple corn, a maize corn drink. Really delicious.
Or that Inca Cola.
Oh my God. Oh my God. That's like bubble gum. We're gonna take them out and put them right in there with the beef for right now. We're gonna add the scallions next. These deliciousness here, ooh, it's just gonna add an extra depth of flavor to it. So we're gonna put those in there. We're gonna kind of like shake those up for about 3 minutes. We're gonna add the tomatoes. And now with the tomatoes, guys, this is just really quick. You're just gonna like put that in there for a few seconds as well before you start adding all this deliciousness. We're gonna add basically the ají paste as well. That's that nice kind of ají pepper and paste.
Spice it up.
You wanna add your garlic.
I'm ready to eat.
Isn't that amazing?
Oh my God.
Woo.
That looks good.
Here we go. Oh, look at those juices. You're gonna put the soy sauce in there. You're gonna get your
little white vinegar.
White vinegar in there. And right before we serve this and take it out on the plate, I'm gonna add the cilantro in there.
Yeah.
Boom. Put that right in.
And there it is.
And there it is.
Oh, that smells so good.
Oh, doesn't that look amazing?
It is so good. And there it is. It's ready to serve.
Ready to serve. Dinner is served.
Wow. Well, nice job, Master Chef Tanya.
Thank you, Master Chef Dave. This is what it all comes down to. How does it taste?
Mix it all up. Got the
Mix
nice
it all in
juices.
there.
It's good. It's really good.
All I have to say is dang delicious.